Today we're putting in a 40-gallon low boy all electric water heater. Yeah, I mean, we got this new unit here ready to get installed. I got Gus and Alexis over there, our installers working on that unit. We're gonna do first is pretty much rip it out, drain it out, get it all out of there, clean it up, and then put this puppy in there, and then obviously add all the code upgrades that it needs to work perfectly fine for the next 6 years. This is what the warranty is for this. So hopefully it lasts a lot longer. So that's kind of what the goal is. We just gotta make sure we come back in and maintenance it every year after that. So after this is put in, you'll see a big difference and we should be good.